I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious meat pie at home without an oven. First, let's prepare our simple dough. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Next, cut in 6 tablespoons of cold butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add about 1/2 cup of ice water, mixing until a soft, pliable dough forms. Knead briefly, then let it rest for 15 minutes. Now let's create our savory meat filling. Brown 1 pound of ground meat like beef or lamb in a large skillet over medium heat. Drain any excess fat, then add 1 finely chopped onion and cook until softened. Stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, then gradually pour in 1/2 cup of beef broth, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. Season generously with salt, pepper, and a pinch of dried thyme. Simmer for 5 minutes until thickened. With our dough and filling ready, it's time to assemble these delicious pies. Roll out your dough on a lightly floured surface to about 1/8 inch thickness. Use a 4-inch round cutter or a glass to cut out circles. Place approximately 2 tablespoons of the meat filling onto 1/2 of each dough circle. Fold the other half over the filling, creating a crescent shape. Firmly crimp the edges with a fork to seal, then poke a small vent hole on top. Finally, let's cook these pies without an oven. Heat a large, non-stick skillet over medium-low heat with a small amount of oil. Carefully place your assembled pies in the pan, ensuring they don't touch. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes on each side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and the filling is hot and bubbly. Serve them warm and enjoy your homemade, oven-free meat pies. For easy meal prep, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.